Hey guys, it's Exist here, and I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers. Okay, so here we go. Here we go, yeah. You guys seem to enjoy them, and I make them. Yeah, here we go. Here we go, here we go. Doing good, doing good, doing good, doing good. Yeah, doing good, doing good. Well, pretty good so far. Guys, if you haven't, go check out my other videos that I just made a day ago. Yeah, go check those out. And if you haven't, subscribe, post daily. Yeah. Post. No. No. And I died. Whoa. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Why am I even saying that? I don't know. Go, good day. Sand? Oh, died again. Dang it. Okay. Jump. I mean. No. Oh, jeez. Okay. D. Yes, got sand. Yay. No! What? Still good? Yes. No. Okay. Go! Yeah, if you guys want to play Super Mario Run, I'll play that. Never played it before. But if you guys want me to play it, tell me in the comments below. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. No. Doing good, doing good. No. Go. Okay, doing good. Why am I keep saying that? I don't know. Oh jeez. Jetpack? Yay. Yes. No. Okay, doing good, doing good. Yay, jetpack. Right in the beginning. Go. Yes. Doing good, doing good. Doing good, yeah, doing good. Jump. 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 Guys, tell me in the comments if you guys want me to do longer videos or shorter videos. Tell me in the comments below. How long I can do my videos for? Maybe, no, 10 or maybe 11. But I know for sure I can do 10 minutes long. Tell me in the comments below. Okay? Okay. Go! Oh man, it died. I'm gonna end the video in a few seconds here. I'm gonna end the video. Thank you. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I post daily, like I said. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.